In India?
Mm-hmm.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Ride safe.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You might be noticing a big change in my video today, and that is the fact that I got a new GoPro. I am shooting on the GoPro Hero 10, so I'm gonna do a test ride. While doing so, I'm gonna go to Makamah Nature Preserve and see what we can find there. But before we do that, thank you. You know about them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Did you own one?
No, but I heard of them.
Cool.
Good English bike.
Yep.
Those are made by the Germans now, right?
No, the Indians.
Yeah. Good bikes.
Yeah, they're made in India now.
In India?
Mm-hmm.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Ride safe.
Alright, now that we're refueled, what I was saying was I'm gonna go to Makamah Nature Preserve. It's 15 miles and about 20 minutes away from here. North Shore again, of course. Alright, so I did do a small ride yesterday with the new GoPro as well, and I am so happy. Like, it's a night and a day difference between the performance that you get from a GoPro Hero 5 versus an 11. I mean, like, the technology has changed so much. You get so much more vibrant colors, so much more detail, the footage is much more sharper, and you just get, you know, you're pleased to look at the footage. It's you don't even need to do most of the post-processing because everything is already done and prepared right from the GoPro itself. So I'm looking forward to using this in my future vlogs. Hopefully, you know, it turns out really good and I don't have any issues, because I did see some other people's reviews on the newer GoPros. I saw, you know, a lot of mixed reviews on it. Some had very good experience and some not so much. So I'm hoping to be one of the ones that love being a GoPro owner. So we'll see how that goes. So the other thing is, I am using a GoPro media mod with it instead of the GoPro adapter. So I don't know if it makes a difference whether you're using the media mod or the adapter, but it's much more convenient. Though one pet peeve I have is the fact that the media mod doesn't really allow you to take your batteries out without taking out the whole GoPro itself. So I hope that GoPro makes that change in the future models. My biggest scare when I'm riding motorcycles is that I don't want a bug to strike me and that bug turning out to be a wasp, because I don't know if it's gonna immediately die or it's gonna sting me and then die afterwards. I'm not wearing a scarf today, so my neck is exposed. I don't think that the wasps have arrived yet, but when it's really like down during the summer months, that can happen. And so like I have to prepare myself mentally. That was the first time somebody I could recognize the Royal Enfield in in front of me, other than when I am actually at the dealerships. So that's good to see. I am allergic to pollen or seasonal pollen, so I have to make sure I keep my vents closed, other than the fact that I have the mic now in front of my face. That being said, I really can't even open it in the first place. But I think when it's really hot outside, I may have to open up like the visor a little bit, just a little bit, to get some air in. And then hopefully by that time all the pollen will be gone. The other thing I did was I covered up the mic in front of my face with like some duct tape. That way it won't be getting some of my direct breathing air into it, and that sound won't be coming in the video. So hopefully that makes a difference as well. Seriously, like motovlogging itself, it requires a lot of trial and error. You would think that all you need to do is watch like a YouTube video on how other people are doing it and you'll be set. That's what I thought, but I was wrong. There are a lot of things that you'll have to adjust and learn as you go. All things considered, give yourself some time to learn and adjust the way that you want to adjust with your motovlogging setup. If you enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like and subscribe for more. I will be making more videos, more travel videos per se, throughout Long Island. And with that, I will see you again next time.